The Prophet fold gives you a minimal look while solving some of the issues with the presidential fold. Also, I like Prophets better than presidents. Lay the pocket square upside down with the edge towards you. Fold the top right corner to the center of the bottom edge. Fold the right edge on top of the left edge. Fold the top left point so that the top edge is as wide as your pocket. Hold the top left point and fold the left edge over the right. Fold the bottom up till the right edge is the depth of your pocket. You got it, pocket that thing. Only one pointer for this fold. You can make this have a more pronounced angle by moving the top right point along the bottom edge to the left. With your trusty pocket square, you never have to fear looking plain without a necktie. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and you'll never have to take style advice from a YouTuber again. Most importantly, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.